Our next guest says that while Nvidia may be the poster child of the AI boom, it is by far not the only winner in this area. He sees plenty of opportunity for years to come outside of that name. Here with us, Kevin Mahn, President and CIO at Hennion Walsh Asset Management. I'm going to talk about Nvidia in just a minute, but we've got the Dow at 38,000 and change, 38,000, whatever. Is Dow 40,000 next stop here?
It may be the next stop, but it may take some time to get there. Some have asked me, are we going to get to S&P 5,400? I think we get there by the end of the year, but we're going to see a pullback prior to that, and we're going to need the Fed to step in and start cutting interest rates toward the second half of the year before we see a more broader base rally beyond just the AI names.
And we're at 38,943 on the Dow right now. That's not a big jump to get to 40,000. I'm not really saying that much. I mean, 1,000 points on 38,000 is not that much. So you're comforted, obviously, by Nvidia's report here.
I am.
You think this casts a halo or a nice warm glow across the entire artificial intelligence area. Explain and what will be the beneficiaries?
Sure. I found it odd that earlier this week some were suggesting that the AI boom was slowing, or perhaps the AI race was taking a detour. And what we learned from Nvidia last night, the poster child for artificial intelligence, if you will, as you said in your opening, is that, in fact, the AI boom is only accelerating and the AI race is only picking up steam. Now, as we go ahead, I would just caution investors to realize that the AI game isn't just chips and semiconductors. Yes, Nvidia is getting all the attention right now. But if you look more broadly into the entire AI ecosystem and you consider the software companies, the hardware companies, the data center, and of course, cybersecurity, the glue that holds the technology puzzle together, I think investors will find even more investment opportunities that are probably at better valuations.
At what point does this sort of that famous law of large numbers come into play with respect to Nvidia, where it gets just harder and harder? As Dom just pointed out, they have added today the value of a Netflix to their portfolio here. At some point, that becomes harder and harder to do.
It does, but then you look at what happened from yesterday to today and the gains that investors missed out on by being afraid of that valuation or being fearful that their market cap had reached too high. I listened to the press conference yesterday, and what I was actually amazed by is that they have a new generation chip, the B100, that's expected to ship later this year. That's only going to add additional revenue and earnings potential, and perhaps these 3 consecutive quarters of earnings beats, significant earnings beats, is going to extend to 4, 5, maybe even 6 consecutive quarters. So don't try and time the market. Don't be wary of stocks just because of their market caps. But again, consider a more diversified approach, not just one.
Are there, you mentioned some of the areas, the software companies, the data centers, the cloud companies, the security companies.
Yep.
Are there names in that ecosystem that are attractive to you right now?
Certainly. If I consider the hardware companies, if you will, look at names like even Tesla, which has come back significantly this year. Apple, which again has fallen out of the Magnificent Seven, if you will.
But those are not, you consider those AI companies?
I consider them deployers of AI in the hardware space. Remember, the ecosystem isn't just the chips and the semiconductors, but then you look at the data centers. Who's going to amass all this data and process all this data? Well, we know Nvidia has a big and growing data center business, but how about other companies like Digital Realty, for example? And then on the software side, I still believe, Tyler, Microsoft's going to be the ultimate winner in the AI race. But there's going to be more than one winner, and there's other software companies, even smaller cap ones, that are going to use and deploy AI and actually grow their revenues too.
Stick around, Kevin. We're going to continue our conversation.